Why are there not more people talking about the wisdom of age in achieving success? Today we're going on a journey to unlock the secrets of success, and who better to guide us than those who've reached the pinnacle of their fields? As Elon Musk once said, "You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream." We're diving into the minds of some of the world's wealthiest individuals. These are individuals who have not only achieved extraordinary financial success, but have also made a profound impact on the world. So get ready to be inspired by their words of wisdom, their stories of resilience, and their unwavering belief in the power of dreams. Let's begin, shall we?
Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, once said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." Think about that for a moment. Not in stocks, not in real estate, but in yourself. You are your greatest asset. Your mind, your skills, your well-being. These are the foundations upon which you build everything else. When you invest in yourself, you're not just increasing your earning potential, you're investing in your happiness, your growth, and your ability to make a difference in the world. What does investing in yourself look like? It could be taking a course to learn a new skill, reading books that expand your knowledge, or prioritizing your physical and mental health. It's about constantly seeking ways to improve, to grow, and to become the best version of yourself. Remember, you are a work in progress. There's always something new to learn, a new challenge to embrace, a new version of yourself waiting to be discovered. Because the more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become, not just to yourself, but to the world around you.
Bill Gates, a name synonymous with innovation and philanthropy, reminds us of a powerful truth. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. Comparison, as they say, is the thief of joy. When we constantly measure ourselves against others, we diminish our own unique talents and achievements. We lose sight of our own journey, our own progress, and our own definition of success. Each of us is on our own path, with our own strengths and weaknesses. Your journey is not meant to be a carbon copy of someone else's. Embrace your individuality. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how big or small. Your goal is to be better today than you were yesterday. Focus on your own growth, your own aspirations, and your own definition of a life well lived. Because when you believe in yourself, you unlock a power within you that no one can take away.
Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, once said, "One of the only ways to get out of a tight box is to invent your way out." Life is full of challenges, of moments that can feel like we're trapped in a box with no way out. But Bezos's words remind us that we are not defined by our circumstances. We have the power to innovate, to create, to find solutions where others see only obstacles. It's about challenging the status quo, thinking outside the box, and refusing to accept limitations. When faced with a challenge, ask yourself, how can I invent my way out of this? Don't be afraid to experiment, to take risks, to try something new. The path to success is rarely linear, so embrace the tight boxes, for they may just be the catalyst for your greatest inventions.
Elon Musk, a visionary entrepreneur known for his bold ambitions, once said, "When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor." How often do we let fear, doubt, or the possibility of failure hold us back from pursuing our dreams? Musk's words are a call to action, a reminder that the most extraordinary achievements often come from taking risks, from defying the odds, from believing in something even when others don't. It's about having the courage to pursue your passions, even when the path ahead seems uncertain. There will be setbacks, there will be challenges, but the greatest risk of all is not taking any risk. Because when you're truly passionate about something, When it aligns with your values and your purpose, the odds become irrelevant. What matters is the willingness to take that first step, to put in the work, to never give up on what you believe in.
Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, famously said, "The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that's constantly changing, staying stagnant is the surest way to fall behind." Zuckerberg's words challenge us to step outside of our comfort zones, to embrace the unknown, and to view risk as an opportunity for growth. Think about it. Every great achievement, every groundbreaking innovation, every life-changing decision started with a risk. It's about having the courage to try new things, to learn from our mistakes, and to adapt to the ever-evolving landscape of life. It's important to be strategic, to weigh the potential rewards against the potential downsides, but don't let the fear of failure paralyze you into inaction. So embrace the unknown, step outside of your comfort zone, and remember that the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all.
Larry Page, co-founder of Google, once said, "You don't need to have a 100-person company to develop that idea." This statement is incredibly empowering, especially in today's world where we often think we need massive resources to make a difference. Page reminds us that the most powerful tool we have is our own mind, our own creativity, our own ability to generate ideas. An idea, no matter how small or simple it may seem, has the potential to change the world. What matters is not the size of your team or the amount of funding you have, but the clarity of your vision and your belief in the power of your idea. So, nurture those ideas, give them space to breathe, and remember that you have everything you need within you to bring them to life.
Sergey Brin, the other brilliant mind behind Google, once said, "Solving big problems is easier than solving little problems." This might seem counterintuitive at first. How could tackling something massive be easier than dealing with something small? Brin's statement challenges us to think differently about the problems we face. Often we get bogged down by the minutiae, the day-to-day frustrations that consume our time and energy. But when we shift our focus to bigger, more ambitious goals, something interesting happens. We become more resourceful, more creative, more willing to collaborate and think outside the box. By focusing on a larger purpose, we tap into a different level of motivation, a drive that propels us forward and helps us overcome obstacles that might have seemed insurmountable before.
Richard Branson, the ever-optimistic entrepreneur behind Virgin Group, famously said, "Business opportunities are like buses. There's always another one coming." This statement, while rooted in the business world, holds a powerful message for all of us. Never give up on your dreams. Life is full of twists and turns, ups and downs. There will be times when opportunities arise and times when doors close. But Branson's words remind us that setbacks are temporary and that with every closed door, a new one opens. So if you've experienced a setback, if you've missed an opportunity, don't despair. Dust yourself off, learn from the experience, and keep your eyes open for the next bus.
You know, I've always believed that the more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Gratitude is a powerful force, my friends. When we focus on the good, on the blessings in our lives, we open ourselves up to receive even more abundance. It's so easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life, to focus on what we lack, to strive for what's next. But in the process, we often forget to appreciate the beauty of this present moment, the gifts we've already been given. Take a moment each day to acknowledge the good in your life, because when you approach life with a grateful heart, you shift your energy, you attract more positivity, and you create a ripple effect that touches everyone around you.
Steve Jobs, a visionary leader who revolutionized the tech industry, once said, "Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work." Think about that. Our work takes up a significant portion of our lives. It's not just about earning a paycheck. It's about finding meaning, purpose, and fulfillment in what we do. Jobs' words challenge us to find work that aligns with our passions, our values, and our desire to make a difference in the world. When you're passionate about your work, it stops feeling like work. It becomes an extension of who you are, a way to express your creativity, and a source of joy and fulfillment. But even within our current circumstances, we can find ways to infuse our work with meaning, to approach it with excellence, and to make a positive impact on those around us.
Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey into the minds of these extraordinary individuals. Their words are a testament to the power of hard work, resilience, and an unwavering belief in oneself. Remember, success isn't just about wealth or status. It's about living a life filled with purpose, passion, and a commitment to making a difference in the world. Don't forget to like this video if you found it inspiring, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Until next time, keep shining your light. Keep